These are coral jewelry that I collected from Greece, Athens. And I want to ask you a question. When you choose a piece of jewelry, what is your purpose? How do you choose? Do you only think about the style and fashion, or do you go much more deeper and think about the meaning, the history behind it, the story behind that jewelry, or what is it? I really want to know. So today you see these coral earrings that are handcrafted in local in Athens, Greece. I really love them. They are special. And I have mentioned some of the symbolic meaning about the coral. Let me know which one actually resonates with you more, and let's see the rest of my coral earrings. You see the coral framed by silver, and then we have the snake on top of it. Then we have this one is geometric. The frame is circle, but the coral is square shape, fit in that frame. Okay. And then we have the last one. This is very nice. We have the spiral shape in the middle of the coral, and then the frame is silver. Let's go. There we go. Look at this. Well, I have only one pair of each these beautiful coral silver earring, which made in Greece, Athens. If you want one, let me know. Some of them are already available on my website. This is one only for only one you. So much love always here at my jewelry store. Make sure to watch my other videos and see you next time.